And I didn't understand I went back to read the directions, and it was like, something that I didn't understand, and I guess I read it to me, just click the first letter that you see in the space below. That's how crazy it was. So, needless to say, I canceled that because just showing how dumb I was on television. National television was not something that I featured. Nixed that. And I'm always a little bit insecure when it comes to, I'm very witty, I write great poetry, I can do a killer haiku, but I don't know, I guess I never thought of myself as like a brain in any way. Because like Steph, brain. My friend Andy, brain. My friend Annie, brain. My friend Marnie, no brain, but very, very fun to hang out with. So that's how my friends all kind of stack up and match up. So okay, so that being said, and by the way, you guys, every time I see someone that says that you just retweeted us or shared us, thank you. If I don't get a chance to thank you, I will continue to do so. So thank you so much for doing that. All right, Connor, you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Okay. Candle something. Oh, Benny Frank invited followers. Thank you, Benny. We really appreciate that. Here we go. I'm a little bit nervous. And Randy, we just retweeted us. So thank you, Randy. All right. It is called, Can You Pass This 10th Grade? And Sherry just retweeted us. AP Biology Test. I'm getting a little nervous as I say this. All right. Oh, and so did Sassy McBobs, whose name I can say over and over because it's so sweet. It's probably Sassy McBoobs and I'm reading it wrong. And so did DC Saturino. So thank you very much. Can you pass this 10th grade AP biology test? So I haven't done it yet. So it's multiple choice. I want the first answer you see, Connor.
Okay.
Or like maybe get a couple, just the average of the first 5 answers.
All right.
Okay?
Sure. Yeah.
And what up, Buttercup? Just shared us on Twitter. Thank you. Here we go. Can you pass this 10th grade biology test? You ready?
Yep.
Okay. Taking this out. All right. Well, you're not. Okay, here we go. First question. Ready?
Ready.
Which of the following is only found in plant cells? Flagella, extracellular matrix, a large central vacuole, or lysosomes? I don't even understand the question, much less the answer choices. Which of the following is only found in plant cells? Is it flagella? Is it extracellular matrix? Is it a large central vacuole? Or is it lysosomes? Oh my God, everybody's saying different things. Flagella. I failed already. Me too, Blue Breed. All right, I'm going to say flagella because that's what it looks like. Nope, it was a large central vacuole. You guys, we all suck. Number 2, where does glycolysis occur in a cell? Where does glycolysis occur in a cell? Number 1, nucleus. Number 2, cytoplasm. Number 3, mitochondrial matrix. Or number 3, the inner mitochondrial membrane. You guys, we're never going to pass this. We're all done. We're taking a 10th grade biology test. Jim's here with us.
Every time we come, we get some more stuff going on at the TV.
I know, we look good.
Nice.
Where does that glycolysis occur in a cell? Connor, give me answers. Nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondrial matrix, or the inner mitochondrial membrane? Someone said cytoplasm. Yeah, okay. I got 3 cytoplasms. Yeah, you're right. When are you ever going to need this? Never. Cytoplasm is right. Next question. Which of these in order form is most inclusive to least inclusive? This is too hard. It's too hard. I never passed this in 10th grade.
Maybe skip that one. That
All right,
one
I'm
seems a
gonna
little
skip that
complicated. Yeah.
A solution with a lower concentration of solutes is what? Hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic? Lower concentration of solutes.
Can you repeat the whole thing?
A solution with a lower concentration of solutes is what? Hypertonic, hypotonic, or isotonic? I once bought isotonic
Everyone's
bugs.
saying ISO.
Oh, sorry. I got a little distracted. All right, I put in iso. Nah, you're wrong. It's hypotonic.
Hypto.
Whatever.
Mitchell Greenberg got hypto.
Oh, nice, Mitchell.
And
Let's do a few more. DNA's double helix structure was discovered by whom? Darwin, Watson and Crick, Lamarck, or Jonas Salk?
Jeez.
Like, I don't know. DNA's double helix structure. Who invented it? Who discovered it? Darwin, Watson, Lamarck, or Salk?
Travis is Larry Bird.
I would guess Larry Bird. Farr, Watson, Dar.
Watson and Crick.
Everyone is saying Darwin on my end. What do you have, Connor?
I got 2 for Watson. Watson and Crick.
Someone said Lamar Jordan. I love you guys. All right, I'm going Watson and Crick. That's correct, guys.
Lamar Odom.
Which of these is not part of the digestive system? This is easy. Esophagus, the pharynx, the larynx, or the large intestine? Which of these is not part of the digestive system? The esophagus, the pharynx, the larynx, or the large intestine? Come on, you have to know that. Someone said Phil Cosby. Guys, which is not part of the digestive system? The esophagus, the pharynx, the larynx, or the large intestine?
There's a lot of larynx.
Yeah, everyone says larynx. That is correct. Here we go. True or false? Eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus. Eukaryotic. I can't. Like, how did I get out of high school? Eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus. Just quickly, true or false? Woo Breed, is it true or false?
I think it's false.
False. Nope, it was true. In what stage of mitosis are 2 nuclei formed? How many questions are there? Let's just scroll to the last question.
Okay.
Because we'll do the last
We got
three
a couple, 2 or 3 more.
Okay. A human's arm, bat's wing, and a dolphin's fin are all examples of what? Analogous structures, homologous structures, or vestigial structures? I actually know this. Someone just asked me a follow-up question in Russian. Connor, you're the closest person to 10th grade that I've met in the last 10 years.
I can't.
The fact that you don't know this is really scary. Jim and I are 40 plus.
It is scary.
You should call my 16-year-old. He'll know.
Yeah, that's what we should do.
Exactly.
Is he in
Just
10th
bring him
grade?
here. 11th.
Oh, this is going to be a piece
know.
of cake.
Yeah, Scott, yeah.
And he's really good at math and science.
That's
We need
like
him in here.
phone a friend. A human's arm, bat's wing, and a dolphin's fin are all examples of what? I think it's vestigial. I'm just going to say it. Nope, homologous structures.
I don't think I even took biology.
Where does the Calvin cycle occur in a cell? In the ribosomes, the stroma, the granum, or the nucleoid? Ah, I feel so dumb. I don't even understand what I'm reading.
Don't even remember those words.
Don't even remember. I can't.
What's
the only
the,
reason my voice goes up at the end of the
crazy.
sentence is because there's a question mark there. Where does the Calvin cycle occur in a cell? The ribosomes, the stroma, I'm pronouncing it well, the granum, or the nucleoid? Someone says the booty.
I say ribosomes.
Ribosomes?
Yeah.
Rome, the stroma.
What the?
Here, this is easy.
What is a stroma?
Your body maintaining a temperature of 98.6 degrees is an example of what? Chemotaxis, tropism, Krebs cycle, or homeostasis?
I say chemo.
No, it's homeostasis.
What is?
Guess none of us will be going on Jeopardy
I don't
anytime
know
soon.
any
You're
of
right,
this.
Lori. Hi,
Unless we get
what's
the
the
questions
site?
beforehand.
No, we don't have any questions beforehand. I was right.
Clearly.
Homeostasis. Let me do a quick few more before we get to some hockey, which we actually know a little bit more about. Which of these is an example of microevolution? Genetic drift, gene flow, natural selection, mutation, or all of the above? It's the all of the above that kills you. One of my daughters is a chem
What is it?
major.
When in doubt, just pick C.
Yeah.
C,
Yeah,
C,
C
is
C,
the,
C.
yeah.
Summer school. Guys, which of these is an example of microevolution? Genetic drift, gene flow, natural selection, mutation. I think it's all of the above. And I'm right. We got to answer 2 more and then we'll know, or a couple more. You ready for this? This is the best question. If you don't think you're stupid after this question, then I don't know what to call you. What is the mRNA sequence of ATGCGCAGTTATTGCGAT?
Okay, wait. The what? The
The what?
the mRNA. All right, sequence.
Connor's like, let me break this down. Okay, the mCNRA, got it.
I know this one. You switch the T's and the.
See, you remember that. I guarantee you I never learned this.
It's
learned
I think it's the third one. I'm pretty sure.
Who Breed said, is that a trick question?
I'm pretty sure it's the third one.
All right, let's see. You're wrong. It's the fourth one, but you were close.
It
Those
was.
last two
I
were
knew it
close.
was one of those. You switched for RNA. You switched. I studied that in
Bio. I
bio.
hope so. That's what this category is.
10th grade.
Someone wants to know what the app is. It's BuzzFeed.
I mean, sophomore year of college.
It's BuzzFeed. One of the main differences between the archaea and the bacteria is found where? In the cell wall, the nucleus, the telomerase, or the organelles? Let's just say the organelles. Wrong. The cell wall. I want to get to the point where they give us our score. Here, last two questions. In what stage of mitosis are two nuclei formed? Prophase, anaphase, telophase, metaphase.
Telophase.
Oh yeah, we got a question right. And then what is the difference between these two? It looks like olives. One says, I attack invaders outside the cell, and one says, I attack invaders inside the cell.
What's the question?
I'm just gonna guess. I got
That's the science segment.
Okay, ready? Let's tally up.
We are dumber than 10th graders.
Yeah.
Okay, so what was our score? I don't even know what our score was. Do we have to do our own score? Sucks. All right, so 0 for 1, 1 for 1.
Now we have to do math too.
I know.
What is this?
2 for 2.
Judy says I'll take my F right now.
You guys, I don't know.
Randy says so now that we're all dumb.
I know, Randy. What are we gonna do? Oh, here we go. Can you pass any people? Okay, you got 7 out of 15 right. You got a C. You might get into your third choice for medical school. Me and your father are very proud of you, though. You've definitely got some stuff banging in that old nucleus. Guys, we did really well.
C plus.
We did a C plus. Rock on.
All right.
Rock on.
That's
Good
like
stuff.
78.
I don't know about that. All right, let's get into something that we know a little more of. We're gonna take a break, and when we come back, we're gonna start breaking down some. We have like 5 minutes. What app is this? Let's just get a couple. Finish up these comments. This is BuzzFeed. They give you quizzes, and we love them because we can't answer any of them. So let's break down the hockey playoffs because I think this is the best time of year when everyone's sort of in playoff season.
I think you have to pick 2 new teams.
Yeah, I know. We already talked about what actually happened the last time I picked those teams. Jim Dowd is going to be with us, and he's going to, as someone who actually partook
Thinks he knows hockey.
in postseason hockey. He gets it. He understands it. We're going to talk to him about it. He's been on the ice. He skated with the best of them as one of the best. I got excited there for a second. Let me take a sip of coffee. I'm going to break it down. Can you do one night show? Can you do one night show? I don't understand.
Can you do one show at night? I think is what she's saying.
No, I think she meant like a one-man show.
I don't
Yeah,
think so.
I think you're wrong.
I think I'm right.
No, I think you're wrong. Remember that time when you thought they were talking about the guy being
Yeah, I know. I've been
You were
wrong
wrong.
before. Just because I was wrong one time doesn't mean I'm perpetually wrong.
Remember that time you were wrong and then we're always wrong after that?
Yeah. Okay, I forgot about that. All
Like
right.
at a bar. We'll do a show at a
Cool.
bar one night.
Okay.
We'll do that. All right, sounds good. So, anything else before we break it down? Any other comments on your other platforms? Paraformus?
Nope.
What said no like a bar at night? Yes, we can do it. We'll take care of that. We'll get right on that right away.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
Take a break. We'll be right back. That's the app name for quizzes. BuzzFeed. The app is BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed.